Hey, what's up, people? It's time for the May edition of the Horror Pack DVD unboxing. We'll be doing the Blu-ray pack as soon as I get it in the mail. Right now, we're going to see what we got in this DVD pack. And if you're new, Horror Pack is you subscribe to them. You get 4 DVDs for $19.99 per month, and you'll get a code word for your first pack, get $3 off. And if you want Blu-ray, it's $24.99 per month for 4 Blu-rays. The best thing about it, you have no idea what you're getting. You get them in the mail, and it's a complete surprise, which I like surprises. Okay, just got this today. Let's see here. All right. Gotta have a pocket knife. Let's see what we got. All right, let's see. First out of the bag. And I'm pulling out Hunger Fangoria Fright Fest. Looks like a little take from Saw, maybe. I don't know. We'll check it out and see how it is. Okay, next out, Silent Retreat. Sorry about the glare there. Yeah, Silent Retreat. This looks like it could be good. Beautifully blends supernatural horror with the terrors of the real world. Yes. Alright. Next out. This must have been a surprise they were talking about this month. Elvira's movie Macabre. Count Dracula's Great Love. For the first time ever, enjoy the full-length film with Elvira, Mistress of the Dark. Pretty cool. I like it. Okay, last one. Oh, this should be entertaining right here. War of the Dead. Looks like a lot of fun. Alright, people, that's all of the May Horror Pack DVD unboxing, and I will see you guys soon with the Blu-ray pack. Peace.